So for today's video, I'm going to share about the linear programming using a graphical method. But before that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the like button and share my videos. So let's start. Solve the following linear programming model by using graphical method. Minimize z is equal to x sub 1 plus 3x sub 2. Subject to 5x sub 1 plus 10x sub 2 is greater than or equal to 90. 4x sub 1 plus 3x sub 2 is greater than or equal to 48. 0.5x sub 1 is greater than or equal to 1.5. X sub 1, x sub 2 is greater than or equal to 0. Each constraint represents one line. Second line, the third line. To draw a line, 2 points must be obtained. The first line is 5x sub 1 plus 10x sub 2 is greater than or equal to 90. So, let x sub 1 is equal to 0. 5, 0, plus 10x sub 2 is equal to 90, and then 10x sub 2 is equal to 90. Divide both sides by 10. Cancel out. X sub 2 is equal to 9. So the points is 0 and 9. Then let x sub 2 is equal to 0. 5x sub 1 plus 10 in 0 is equal to 90. 5x sub 1 is equal to 90. Divide both sides by 5. Then cancel out. X sub 1 is equal to 18. So therefore, the points is 18 and 9. This is the first points. The second line is 4x sub 1 plus 3x sub 2 is greater than or equal to 48, which is let x sub 1 is equal to 0. 4 and 0 plus 3x sub 2 is equal to 48. Then 3x sub 2 is equal to 48. Divide both sides by 3. Cancel out. X sub 2 is equal to 16. So the points is 0 and 16. Then let x sub 2 is equal to 0. 4x sub 1 plus 48. 4x sub 1 plus 3, 0 is equal to 48. Then 4x sub 1 is equal to 48. Divide both sides by 4. Cancel out. X sub 1 is equal to 12. So the points is 12 and 16. So, the last line is 0.5 x sub 1 is greater than or equal to 1.5. So, 0.5 x sub 1 is equal to 1.5. Divide both sides by 0.5. 0.5 cancel out. X sub 1 is equal to 3. step is find the optimal solution. Point x sub 1 and x sub 2, z is equal to 2x sub 1 plus 3x sub 2. Then, the points is 3 and 12, equivalent of 42 points. 8.4 and 4.8 is equivalent of 31.2. The last is 18 and 0 points, equivalent of 36. So, the optimal solution is x sub 1 is 42, the x sub 2 is 36, and then the z is 31. So, the score of z is 31.2 is the lowest term of the points.